Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check BIOS version Windows 11 step by step so you can quickly find your system's BIOS details. Now let's get started. Step 1, click the search icon on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. The search feature helps you quickly find built-in tools and settings in Windows 11 without digging through menus. It's the fastest way to access system utilities. Step 2. Type system information and click on it from the results. This built-in Windows tool shows detailed information about your computer's hardware and software. It is useful when you need system specs for updates, troubleshooting, or compatibility checks. Step 3. Once the window opens, look for BIOS version and date in the list. This section displays the current BIOS version installed on your motherboard, along with the release date. Knowing this is important before performing a BIOS update or checking compatibility. Step 4. Alternatively, search for command prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Running it as administrator ensures you have full permission to access system-level information. This method is helpful if you prefer using commands. Step 5. Enter the command that is in the description box and press Enter to see the BIOS version. The command instantly retrieves the BIOS version directly from your system firmware. This is a quick and accurate way to confirm your BIOS details. Step 6. Or search DXDIAG, click on it and check the BIOS version in the window. The DirectX Diagnostic Tool shows system information including your BIOS version under the System tab. This method is useful when checking graphics and system details together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.